The Blazer PB207 Pocket Microtorch has been my favorite handheld butane lighter for the past number of years. The Pocket Microtorch is manufactured in Japan, and it's made to a much higher standard than some of the cheaper lighters you may be used to seeing. This clear one has a completely clear reservoir so you can see your gas level. The black one, for example, has a clear bottom part, while the orange one is completely orange, no clear section at all. When you look on the back of the lighter, you can adjust the flame level from very low to very high, and then on the other side it features a flame lock. So you turn your lighter on, hit the flame lock, and then that can just stay on there. Makes it very easy to use with a Dynavap, sticky brick, or pretty much anything else. It features a piezoelectric quartz ignition system that reliably sparks a flame to 2500 degrees even in windy conditions. The final feature I like is the safety trigger. You have to push that out before you press it down. See? Can't press it down, push it out, press it down. It's not going to go off accidentally in your pocket. So this is definitely a more expensive option than some of the cheaper lighters, but it is without a doubt a higher quality choice, and it'll last you for years of reliable use.